First, be sure you have these things installed in your project beforehand. And then, while your Unity project is open, go ahead and double-click the Unity package for the pipe, and then import. Then navigate to VIO, Props, Smokeable Weed Pipe, VRCFury Prefab, and since this avatar is neither Mayu nor NovaBeast, we can use any avatar. And then click and drag on this prefab and drop it right here on the name of your avatar. And then you'll see the pipe somewhere in space, as well as a ghost placement guide for the other hand. So we want to position and scale this object, and then we would just position the other object because the scale will match this first one. You can see them both change size. And so we'll want to go a little smaller, and you likely will want to keep the rotation of the pipe if you're in a T-pose like this. And you'll just put it in your hand here, kind of between the thumb and your index finger, maybe even a little smaller. And then you just grab the other object and place it. And then be sure you take the stoned effects box here and then drag this down to around your viewpoint. Make sure this handle here is by your viewpoint. And I have pivot set up here. And that will make sure your stoned effects are in the right spot. You also want to position face clouds and face clouds emitted. So click, shift click, select both, and pull them down. You can use Alt-Shift-A to show the smoke. I can click restart to play the particle. We can get it just right. Okay, just be sure to hide this whenever you're done positioning it. It needs to be hidden upon play mode or upload. But that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. My Discord is in the description. Thanks. Bye.